guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a tidy up reorganisation bookcase video. And my bookcase has been a mess since I ever went to uni. There's been books taken off, books been put back on, not in the right order, and do you know what, it's giving me a bit of a stress. So today I decided that I'm going to reorganise it, put everything back where it needs to be, try and find room for all of those new ones, and maybe pull out bits from my TBR as well. So if that's something that sounds interesting to you, then just keep on watching. As you can see, we've dropped down a few levels or so, and now we're on the floor. But this is mainly because before I start, I like to take all of these extra books here and pile them all across the floor, just so I can see what I've got, where it goes, and all that sort of stuff. So I'm gonna go and grab those books. Okay, so I think that's cool. So this is the current situation, and they all kind of need to go up in there somewhere. So after I have done that, normally I like to organise them into alphabetical by last name. I did have them in rainbow at one point of my life, but I noticed that a lot of my books were black, so that kind of defeated the object of the rainbow. So I keep them in alphabetical by author and last name. So yeah, let's just get on with it, I guess. This one, amazing. This one, also amazing. How gorgeous. Need to fit that up there somewhere. That's going to be fun. I've started reading this one quite a while ago. Oh, there's my bookmark. And I actually never got around to like finishing it, so yeah. Oh my god, look at this. This one goes right here with the rest of the family. Let's see if we can actually fit it in. And then this one as well. Very excited. So out of all of these, there are a few that are still on my like TBR that I've not read yet, so I tend to pull those out so that I can kind of see how big my TBR pile is. So far, this is my pile here. I'm going to have to add a few to that. And then I am just left with this mass of books that I'll show you. So this is the mass that I am left with. So let's give it a go. Right, so now we're back up again. We're gonna try and do the top shelf first, and we'll just kind of get rid of all these weird little bits. These kind of books, these would really kind of be the books that we would try and fit on that pile up there, because that's kind of ABC. This is my exclusive Cassandra Clare shelf because she's published so many books that she has to have her own shelf. But let's try and get those in. A lot of the time it's basically a jigsaw puzzle to try and fit all of these in, more so than it is trying to get it all right. So I could easily fit one more book in there. I think though I'm going to start having some of my favourite books kind of on display in a way, kind of like a bookshop, you know, so I can walk up to it and be like, what do I want to read? And again, like I did up there, I might actually pull one of the books out, or even put a book up there instead. Yeah, that might kind of... God. When I was about like 12, when I went to Legoland, it says my name in Lego. Ah. Right, so the shelf number 3. So now we have approached the C/D, well the C's that aren't Cassandra Clare and the D's everything else basically. So that's it, I think. What comes after D? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So we just have these few. We've got Notes on Noah's Planet, Exit West, Hiroshima and Gothic Tales. What an array. That's what studying literature does for you. So now we have to figure out a room for this. The thing I'm going to do is turn these books long ways like I've done up there, just so I can pile them a bit better than this. So we'll just give that a go. Yeah, that's not bad. Look at that. Who am I? A Tetris master. Right, so now we've moved down a level and we are on to 4th shelf here. Like I said, I haven't actually changed the date. On here we have our G's straight through to L's. Cool, so what we're going to do instead, we'll just move a few of these up there instead, so we've got a little bit more room at the bottom as well. Here's, I also think I might, see I bought this and I don't even remember what it's about. I might donate this one because I can't remember. It's alright, let's not make any rash decisions. But I am going to put these lengthways as well. Just because there's so many of them, it makes sense. Cool. Now, see, what I hate doing is splitting up series. That is what's going to happen to these, I think. Yeah, look. They all fit nicely there, and then the rest of them are going to be on their own at the bottom. I think I'm going to keep this one, oh god, out because I like this one. This is a very good book. I haven't finished it yet, but very good book. We've just got a bit of a theme going on at the moment. Turning every single book sideways. Nice. Okay, so I've only got a few more to go. I think we should probably get back on the floor now. So let me just move you guys down. Okay, so now we just have this last one to do. Oh my god, why did I choose to wear black jeans? They're so dusty. Dusty. Oh. Oh no, we need some more peas first. Polidori. I always feel really sad for this little bookshelf on the bottom, but just because I feel like it's like gets neglected. Did I just put that upside down? It's upside down. I just kind of feel like it gets a little bit neglected all the way at the bottom here, but what can you do? There we go. Have we done? I think we've done. What? Oh wait. How did I forget these two? Where are we, L? O is here. Perfect. That, guys, is the finished video. Bookcase is all done. I'll insert a little clip of it closer so you can see it a little bit better. But yeah, I kind of really enjoyed doing that. It was nice. It felt like I had a friend at the same time. But yeah, so that's all done. I'll quickly show you my TBR. So these are all the old books that I had already at home. I don't know if you can actually see those. I'll try and hold them up a little bit better. So these are what we already had. And then these, I feel like I'm holding a child. These are all the ones that I've kind of brought new, excluding the Stephen King on the top. So, yeah, I will do another dedicated video just going through all of these, why they're on my TBR and why I'm excited to read them. But yeah, that is the video. I hope you enjoyed my little reorganisation of the bookcase. If you have any questions about the bookcase, by the way, very sorry, it's actually not available to purchase anywhere because it was bespokely made for me by my uncle for my 16th birthday present, and it is honestly my favourite thing about my bedroom. I absolutely love it so much. But yeah, I've said this at the end of the video like 4 times now, so this is actually the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!